The 2026 Aston Martin Vanquish is the brand's flagship front-engine grand tourer. Under the hood lies the AE31 5.2-liter twin-turbocharged V12, delivering 824 horsepower at 6,500 RPM and 738 lb-ft of torque, handcrafted, between 2,500 and 5,000 RPM. Power flows exclusively to the rear wheels through a rear-mounted ZF 8-speed automatic with electronic limited slip differential, 0 to 62 mph in 3.3 seconds, and a top speed of 214 mph, making it one of the fastest front-engine production cars ever built. The result? The Vanquish is engineered on a bonded aluminum chassis with full carbon fiber body panels, achieving near-perfect 50 by 50 weight distribution. Braking is handled by carbon ceramic discs, 410 mm up front with 6-piston calipers, 360 mm at the rear with 4-piston calipers. Suspension is double wishbone front, multi-link rear, controlled by Bilstein DTX adaptive dampers. Drive modes: GT, Sport, Sport Plus, Wet, and Individual adjust torque delivery, damper stiffness, steering weight, and exhaust valves, transforming the car's personality at the push of a button. The Vanquish's exterior blends drama with function. Matrix LED headlights engraved with Aston Martin script, signature swan hinge doors, a panoramic glass roof, and a sculpted grille feeding air to the V12. At the rear, wide haunches, an integrated tailgate spoiler, functional diffuser, and quad stainless steel exhaust tips complete the profile. It rides on 21-inch forged alloys wrapped in bespoke Pirelli P0 tires. To celebrate 25 years since the 2001 Vanquish, Aston Martin created the Vanquish 25 Silver Anniversary Edition. Only 50 will ever exist, 25 Coupes and 25 Volantes, each handcrafted by Coupes by Aston Martin. Highlights include Skye silver paint that shifts tone under light, stainless steel side strakes, bespoke wheels, foil accents, and anniversary badging. Inside, embroidered Vanquish 25 logos, black Alcantara roof lining, and a satin silver start button framed in red pay homage to the original 2001 Vanquish. The cabin introduces Aston Martin's new digital platform, dual 10.25-inch displays with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Unlike rivals that hide everything behind touchscreens, Aston retains tactile metal switches for climate, suspension, exhaust, and drive modes. Standard equipment includes 16-way heated semi-aniline leather seats, Alcantara headliner, and a 1,170-watt Bowers & Wilkins 15-speaker audio system. Options range from carbon fiber performance seats to cashmere roof linings. Pricing starts at $420,000 for the standard Vanquish, with limited annual production of 1,000 units. The Vanquish 25 Silver Anniversary Edition commands around $600,000, cementing its status as a future collector's car. With 824 horsepower, 214 mph top speed, and carbon ceramic brakes standard, the Vanquish represents the pinnacle of Aston Martin's front-engine lineup. Would you choose the Vanquish in Skye Silver or spec it in full carbon stealth? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more technical deep dives.